Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Pratiksha Agarwal and this is part 4 of the series. Students, today we will be solving the puzzle which came in SBI PO 2022. So stay tuned till the end of the video, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Now let's quickly start the video. So this is the puzzle which came in SBI PO 2022. Let's solve it. Five persons A, B, C, D and E, but not necessarily in the same order, have different designations, that is General Manager GM, Deputy General Manager DGM, Assistant Manager AM, Section Officer SO and Clerk in a company. The order of seniority is the same as given above, that is, GM is the senior-most designation and clerk is the junior-most designation. Each person has different number of pens, 19, 23, 35, 39 and 51, but not necessarily in the same order. So in the first paragraph it is given that there are five persons A, B, C, D, E, and there are five designations, and these five persons have these five designation, in which GM is the senior most designation and clerk is the junior most designation, and these five persons have five different number of pens. So we have to place these person according to their designation and also the number of pens they are having. So let's draw the table and assign the designation to the table. Now let's read the clues. The first statement says the one who has prime number of pens is not the senior most person but two designations senior to D. So we need to highlight this point right now. We will come here later. Now next it is given C is junior to D. Okay, so the one who is having prime number of pen is not the GM of the company. Okay, so let's suppose it is the DGM of the company. So we have to place D here at the position of SO, so that two positions senior to D will be the person who is having um, prime number of pens. So if we place D here at the place SO, then here the DGM will have the prime number of pens. Okay. The second case is if we place D as clerk, then the person who is having prime numbers of prime number of pens will be AM or the assistant manager of the company. But since C is junior to D, okay, C is junior to D means we will place D at the position of SO, okay, and then C will come here at the position of clerk, means C is the clerk in the company and D will be the SO in the company. So so the person who is having prime number of pen will be the DGM of the company, as he is not the senior most person, or is he is not having the senior most designation. This is what the highlighted portion says. Now the next one is the one who has 39 pens is just senior to E. Let me highlight this point also. We will come here later. Now the next it says the difference between the pens of E and C is 4. Okay. So according to, if we pay attention to the number of pens given here in the question, either E and C will have 19 and 23 pens, or they will have 35 and 39 pens. So this is what, either E or C will have 19 or 23 pens, or they will have 35 or 39 pens. The next statement says D has 12 pens more than C. So it will be written like this: C plus 12 is D, and here also C plus 12 is D. So let's suppose C is having 19 or 23 number of pens. So first of all, 23 plus 12 is equals to 35, and see here 35 number of pens is given. Okay, and the next we have 19. Okay, so 19 plus 12 is 31, and the number of pens 31 is not denoted here, so it is wrong. Now here, let's suppose C is having 39 pens, so 39 plus 12 is equals to 51. Also 51 is given here in the question. But if we come back to the blue highlighted portion, it says the one who has 39 pens is just senior to E. Means the one who is having 39 pens cannot be the junior most person of the company. That is why C will have 23 pence and not 39 pence. I hope this is clear to everyone, because if we say that C is having 39 pence, then there is no position which we can assign to E. Okay, because E is the one who is junior to the one who is having 39 pence. So this one is also wrong. P C will not have 39 pence, although 51 number of pence are given in the question. So C will have 23 pence. Okay, C will have 23 pence. Let assign here also. C will have 23 pence. So D will have 35 number of pence. The next it says B is junior to the one who has 39 pence. Okay, so B will be junior to the one who is having 39 pence. Now students, here the only prime number, the prime numbers are 19 and 23. Now since C is having 23 number of pens, so the only prime number left is 19, and the one who is having prime numbers of pen is two designations senior to D. So 1 and 2. So DGM will have 19 number of pens, because 19 is the prime number and the senior most person is not having prime number of pens. Now you can see here that E is having 19 pens, as C is having 23, then E will have 19 pens. So DGM is E. So the DGM of company is E. I hope this much is clear to everyone. Okay. Now it is given that B is junior to the one who has 39 pens. So GM, let's suppose GM is having 39 pens, then only B can come here at the position of AM. So GM will have 39, 39 pence. Also, it is given that the one who has 39 pence is just senior to E. So the one who is having 39 pence will come just above G. So here GM. Okay. So B will be the assistant manager of the company. Now only one person and one number is left to be placed. So here GM is A and B will have 51 number of pens. I hope this is clear to everyone. See, we were having very limited amount of clues, but see, all the clues were linked together. So we are able to solve this puzzle. This is not very time taking, but you have to just need a little more practice. Now let's see the questions. So this is the first question. Who among the following has maximum number of pens? So here 51 was the largest number. So B is having 51 number of pens. So here the answer should be B. Okay, let's check the answer. See, we got the correct answer, students. Let's move on to the next question. What is the designation of A? Here you can see that A is the GM of the company. So the answer should be option number C, GM. Let's check the answer. See, we got the correct answers again, students. Let's move on to the next question. What is the sum of number of pens does what is the sum of the number of pens does E, C and B has? So E is having 19 pens, C is having 23 pens and B is having 51 pens. So the sum is 93. Okay, let's move on to the next question, students. Which among the following statement is or are true? E has minimum number of pens. So E is having 19 pens. Yes, this is true. So let's mark this as right. C is the designation of SO. No, C is the clerk in the company. So this is wrong. D is senior to A. No, D is junior to A. So this is also wrong. So only one statement is true. So here the answer should be option number A, only one. Let's check the answer. See, we got the correct answer, student. So That's all for today. I hope you liked this video and able to understand the puzzle. If you have any doubt, please comment me. I'll try to solve it. Bye bye. Thank you.